Hello children, today we are going to discuss chapter number 6 of civics, which is about the judiciary. Dear children, in the previous chapters we have already discussed over the legislature and the executive, the organs of the government. But now in this chapter we are going to discuss over the third organ of the government, which is the judiciary. This is the structure of the Indian judiciary, which is divided into Supreme Court, High Court, District Courts and the Nyaya Panchayats. The judiciary controls over the courts and brings justice to the community through punishing in criminal cases and judgments in public cases. The judiciary, which includes all judges and benches, is the third independent arm of government. The Supreme Court, which is situated in New Delhi. It was inaugurated on 28th January 1950. It has one Chief Justice and other judges not exceeding 25. All the judges, they are appointed by President and they must be citizen of India. So all the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President in consultation with such judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. The original jurisdiction, which refers to the court which first hears a case. The Indian Supreme Court has original jurisdiction, which gives it the power to hear cases for the first time. Thus, all the disputes that arise between the central government and any state government are decided by the Supreme Court of India. Fundamental rights, if they are violated, they are also goes in Supreme Court. Appellate jurisdiction. There are various articles in the Indian Constitution under which the appeals may lie to the Supreme Court. Some of the articles are as follows, like Article 132. About the guardian of the Constitution. Supreme Court enjoys the privilege of protecting the Constitution against violation of its provisions either by government or by the people. It acts as the watchtower of the Constitution. Advisory jurisdiction. President may refer to Supreme Court for opinion, which is called the advisory jurisdiction. Judicial review. Supreme Court is the interpreter of the Constitution and its decision is final. It has the power to review laws passed by union or state legislature. This power is called a judicial review. Court of record. Supreme Court is a court of record. A court of record is one whose judgments are in that nature of judicial precedents and are referred to in other of the country. Some of the judgments of the Supreme Court are considered to be as good as laws. High Court and the District Court decide cases in the light of the judgments passed by the Supreme Court. The main decisions of the High Court too are preserved for reference by the Supreme Court. So this was all about this module.